Hey guys, Molly here. Thank you for checking out my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're not, thanks for coming back. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I am sharing all of the details about my entrepreneurship journey. And I have some other things here. You can check out some of my older videos on mental health and depression and anxiety and stuff like that. I have a little bit of a history on YouTube. So what I'm here to share with you now, though, is how I got scammed out of about $100 of my DoorDash pay. And I did not share my PIN or my password with anyone. So if you get hacked or scammed, the first thing DoorDash said to me was, do not share your PIN or password with anyone. Do not share your personal information with anyone. Well, of course, I saw the warnings on the app. If you are current with DoorDash, you know that the app has little warnings all the time. If you are just signing up, you'll see them. They put it on the app all the time, because I'm sure this is a very common thing. I made the mistake of commenting on a post in a Dasher group on Facebook, which I should know better than to comment on things on Facebook, because people are just keyboard Nazis and they're crazy out there, people. I get it a little bit here on YouTube too, but I feel not as mean as Facebook. So anyway, so I didn't share my information, and when I emailed them, well, I'll go from the beginning. So I'm dashing. I'm in the middle of a shift, right? So I get an order. It was a Wendy's order. Nothing fishy about it. I'm like, okay, whatever. So I start to drive to Wendy's. And I get a call from DoorDash. Well, someone posing as DoorDash, apparently, who said that they had a security issue, and they needed to, well, first they said that the order that was placed was canceled by the purchaser, or it was placed in error, and that it needed to be canceled. I wasn't thinking clearly. I was hungry at the time. My brain doesn't work right when I'm super hungry. So I didn't question it. I just thought it was, Dasher support, and they were canceling the order. So they tell me, sorry, my arm is I'm holding this up and it's getting tired. So they tell me that the order was canceled and I don't need to do it. So, they told me that I needed to cancel it because for whatever reason they couldn't. That should have been my first red flag, and it wasn't. Some of you will call me an idiot and tell me I deserve to be scammed, whatever. So then the guy said that there was some security issues and people are posing as drivers when they're not, and having other people drive for them under their account, and they wanted to make sure, since I was on a shift, that I was who I said I am, and that I wasn't having someone else drive for me. Now remember, this guy is pretending to be DoorDash. They even called me from a number that was a DoorDash number. I don't know how the hell they called me, but they did. It was crazy. So he asked me to verify my identity using my security questions, I believe. It's hard to remember now. This happened a week and a half ago. So I'm thinking it's DoorDash. I didn't think there was anything I needed to worry about, and I'm not giving him my PIN or my password like DoorDash says not to do. I was just verifying my identity. Well, in retrospect, what they were doing was getting into my account to change my password using that information. So they changed my password, hack into my account. They told me that they were just, making sure that I was who I said I was. So they hack into my account. I didn't even think that was a possibility at the time. I get an email, right, that says your password has been changed. As soon as I hang up, he's like, okay, thank you very much, blah, blah, blah. So I get the email that says your password has been changed, just like you would get for any account. Now, what they tell you to do is to hurry up and change your password again. So I don't remember. I think I used my security questions to change my password again. And to contact Dasher support. Well, by that time, they had already changed my account information and fast paid. They changed the debit card information, fast paid $110 out of my Dasher account. I got an email like immediately following the "your password has been changed" email saying your account information has been changed. If you didn't do this, please log into your account, verify the information, and then contact Dasher support. I swear, like, this happened within like seconds. It was nuts. By the time I changed my password back, which I did, I followed like their instruction. I changed my password back. I contacted Dasher. I changed my account information back. I got another email that said a fast pay had been processed. So that's when I'm like, shit, like, oh, they just stole my money. I contacted Dasher support. They didn't get back to me for 3 days. So there's no phone number. I searched everywhere to try to find a phone number for DoorDash, Dasher support. There is no phone number, at least not one that I could find. The email tells you to contact them via like online form. So that's what I did. And they didn't get back to me for 3 days. And then after they did get back to me, they told me they had to investigate. And then when they came back with an answer, they said it's too late for the transfer to be reversed. Now, had they been on top of it and accessed my account immediately, I believe that if it would have been immediate, and I emailed them like 4 or 5 times, you guys, because I knew that I needed that transfer to be stopped or I wasn't going to get my money back. But they weren't on top of it. They obviously don't have like a red flag that goes up when somebody gets that email to, watch the account. There's some kinks that they need to work out on that end, because it took so long that by the time I heard back, they were like, we can't reverse it. And they basically blamed it on me because I shared my PIN or password, which I didn't. And they made me feel like complete shit, like it was all my fault. And like, I don't know, the guy on the phone was like very convincing that he was part of DoorDash. So that is how I got scammed and got about $110 stolen. I will never leave money in the account. Now, I wasn't going to dash again. I was so upset, not only that the money got stolen, but that it wasn't going to be returned to me, and that DoorDash didn't make any effort to return it or make things right with me, and that they kind of like blamed me for what happened when it's actually a flaw in their system. And I think FastPay is stupid, to be honest, because it's just it puts everyone at risk. I think I'm actually gonna delete the FastPay, I don't know, or just get my money like every day that I work. But so I wasn't gonna dash anymore. My boyfriend was like, you know what, lesson learned, like, you've done well with them. Sometimes you gotta learn lessons the hard way. Sometimes you get screwed over. Sometimes it really sucks, but there's no reason to like completely quit something, like give it another shot. So I was like, fine. I haven't dashed again since then because I've been so busy, and I'm actually doing Instacart right now. I made $18 an hour again yesterday with Instacart, and I told you guys on the video yesterday, last week, I had an $18 an hour day, but I recalculated it, and it was actually more like $22 an hour. So I'm averaging like $18 to $20 an hour a day with Instacart. Whereas DoorDash, it's more like $12, sometimes on a good day, $15 an hour. So I've made Instacart my priority, but it's so hard to get shifts that I'm sure I will dash again. So anyway, that's my story about DoorDash. Please be careful if anyone calls you pretending to be DoorDash. I don't know how you can confirm that. I also saw some stories on a Dasher group on Facebook where people were like, no, screw you, you're scamming me, and it turned out to actually be DoorDash, and DoorDash deactivated them. So I don't know how you can confirm who's calling, like if it's actually DoorDash or not, but I don't know. It's a tricky situation. But just be careful out there, guys, and don't get your money stolen. And definitely, I would, as soon as you're eligible, I think it's after 2 weeks, set yourself up on Fast Pay. And my battery, I just had a low battery notice. Set yourself up on Fast Pay and transfer your funds out after every shift just to play it safe. If you are interested in signing up for Instacart or DoorDash or Lyft, I have my referral links in the description of this video. My DoorDash link wasn't working, but now it is. So if you're interested in signing up, definitely do that. There are perks to using a referral link. You get like extra bonuses whenever you get to a certain point, and kind of like I help you, you help me type thing. So that is that. I'm gonna hop off of here, and I hope everyone's great. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. I have a whole list of new videos I'm gonna be putting up for you guys in the coming days and weeks. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye.